So in the last video, we have seen factor theorem. We have already studied about polynomials, types of polynomials, zeros of the polynomials, remainder theorem and factor theorem. Now in this video, you are going to learn about algebraic identities. What do you mean by an identity? Algebraic identity, it is an equation that is true for all the values of the variables involved in it. So 4 identities in 8th standard you have studied. These are the 4 identities: x plus y the whole square, x minus y the whole square, x plus y into x minus y, x plus a into x plus b. We have learned all these 4 identities in 8th standard, and we have done the problems also, evaluate using the identity or find the product using the identity. Now in the same way, in 9th standard you are going to study 6 more identities, that is x plus y plus z the whole square. This is a square of trinomial. In 8th standard you have studied square of binomial, that is x plus y the whole square, which is equal to x square plus y square plus 2xy. So here it is x plus y plus z the whole square, which is equal to x square plus y square plus z square. 3 terms are there. So first you have to take the square of those 3 terms plus 2xy plus 2yz plus 2xz. Here only x and y is there, so you are writing 2xy. Here x, y and z is there, so you are writing 2xy. You are taking pairs like xy, yz, xz. So x plus y plus z the whole square is x square plus y square plus z square plus 2xy plus 2yz plus 2xz. Same way, this is the cube of a binomial, x plus y the whole cube. Here it is square of the binomial, here it is x plus y the whole cube. So if it is cube, here also you should write x cube, y cube. Since it is cube, we are writing 3x square y plus 3xy square. Or this can also be written as, 2 ways are there, this can also be written as x cube plus y cube plus 3xy into x plus y. Like this also I can write. If you open the bracket, you will get the same thing, 3x square y plus 3xy square. So you need to study any one. X plus y the whole cube is x cube plus 3x square y plus 3xy square plus y cube. Same way, x minus y the whole cube means x cube, alternate minus and plus sign will come. The same thing, you are writing x cube, 3x square y, 3xy square, y cube, but instead of plus, since it is minus, alternate plus and minus sign I am writing. So this is the cube of the binomial. First is x plus y and the second is x minus y. Now next, so x cube plus y cube plus z cube minus 3xyz equal to x plus y plus z into x square plus y square plus z square minus xy minus yz minus xz. This is a little bit lengthy one. The next one, x cube plus y cube is equal to x plus y into x square minus xy plus y square. If it is plus, here you have to put plus sign, but here it is minus, x square minus xy plus y square. And the last one is x cube minus y cube is x minus y into x square plus xy plus y square. It is minus, first minus, and here it will be plus sign. So these are the 10 identities you need to study by heart. Already the 4 identities you have studied in class 8. When you are studying, study this one 6th and 7th together, that is x plus y the whole cube, x minus y the whole cube, you can study together. Same way 9th and 10th one you can study together, x cube plus y cube and x cube minus y cube. And 8th one is a little bit bigger one, so x cube plus y cube plus z cube minus 3xyz. You need to remember this. So all the 10 identities you need to by heart to do the problems from this portion. Let's have a quick revision of identities what you have learned in 8th standard. So the first question goes like this: use identities to find the product, or they can give find the product of x plus 4 into x plus 10 using the suitable identity. So I have to first identify which identity I can use. So x plus 4 into x plus 10 is in the form of x plus a into x plus b, and we know x plus a into x plus b is equal to x square plus a plus b into x plus ab. Now where x is equal to here x only, A equal to 4 and B equal to 10. Now I will substitute in this identity x plus A into x plus B equal to, so we need to write the identity x plus A into x plus B equal to x square plus A plus B into x plus AB. So which is equal to, in the place of x I need to substitute only x. In the place of A I can write 4. In the place of B 10 into x plus 4 into 10. So which is equal to x square plus 14x plus 40. So x plus 4 into x plus 10 is nothing but x square plus 14x plus 40. Now the second one is x plus 8 into x minus 10. So this is in the form of x plus A into x plus B. You need to identify which identity we are going to use. Now where x is x only, A is 8. Now what about B? See, x plus 8 into x minus 10. So x is x only, A is 8. What about B? This I can write like this, no, x plus into minus 10. So B is minus 10. So you should be careful when minus sign comes also, you are using the same identity, but B you have to write as minus 10. Now they have given x plus A into x plus B. We know the identity x square plus A plus B into x plus AB. So we will substitute wherever A is there, you need to substitute 8. Wherever B is there, you need to substitute minus 10 plus 8 into minus 10. So which is equal to x square minus 2x minus 80. 8 into 10 is 80. So minus 80. Now next one, 3x plus 4 the whole square. Using suitable identity, you have to find the product of this. Or the question can be asked in 3 different ways. First one is evaluate using the identity. Evaluate using suitable identity. Second one, they can ask find the square of or write the square of 3x plus 4. So you need to put the square and then you have to do. Third one, expand 3x plus 4 the whole square. Or using suitable identity, find the product. So anyway the questions can be asked. So the meaning for all these questions is same: evaluate, expand, find the square, or using suitable identity, find the product. Meaning of all the question is same. So you have to identify which identity you are going to use. So this is in the form of x plus y the whole square. And we can see that in the place of x I have 3x and in the place of y I have 4. Now x plus y the whole square is, you write the identity x square plus 2xy plus y square. Wherever x is there, you will substitute 3x the whole 3x, and wherever y is there, you will substitute 4. So 4 square. Now this I can write 9x square plus 2 3s are 6, 6 4s are 24x plus 16. You cannot add this because all these are unlike terms. One is x square, other is x, and the other is constant. So all these are unlike terms. So the final answer will contain 3 terms. So next one, fourth one, 2x minus 5 the whole square. This is in the form of x minus y the whole square. So this question also can be asked: evaluate using identity, expand using identity, use suitable identity, find the product, or write the square of, find the square of 2x minus 5. So square means you have to put like this and then you have to do. So this is in the form of x minus y the whole square, where x is 2x and y is 5. See, if you have any doubt, you can write like this and check. In the place of x you have 2x, in the place of y you have 5. Now this I can write as 2x the whole square minus 2 into 2x into 5 plus y square is 25. Now 2x the whole square is 4x square minus 2 into 2, 4. 4 5s are 20x plus 25. 5 square is 25. All these identities you have studied in 8th standard. Now next one, 3 minus 2x, 3 plus 2x. You can see that this is in the form of x plus y into x minus y, where So x minus y into x plus y, where x, in the place of x you have 3, in the place of y you have 2x. So x plus y into x minus y is x square minus y square. You need to write the identity. So 3 square minus 2x the whole square. 9 minus 4x square. So the answer is 9 minus 4x. Now how will you distinguish x plus y into x minus y and x plus a into x plus b? Most of the children find it difficult to distinguish between these two identities. Know that if x and y are same, for example 3 plus 2x and 3 minus 2x, here x and y both are same, only the plus and minus sign is different. That time you are going to use this identity x plus y into x minus y. But if it is like this, 3 plus 2x and 3 plus 5x, we can see that only the first term is same, the second term is different. That time you will use the identity x plus a into x plus b. So in today's video we have learned about algebraic identities, 10 algebraic identities. You need to by heart all the 10 algebraic identities to solve the problem from this section. And the first 4 already have studied in 8th standard. We have seen how to evaluate using those identities also. Thank you for watching the video.